From 2007, beginning with the Ausführung J, product number 6394, Dragon's Panzer III line was issued primarily under the Smart Kit moniker, and it basically signifies that it's supposedly a bit easier to build than regular 39 to 45 series kits and contains everything you need, including a moderate amount of PE for things such as grills and mesh and very thin pieces all in one box. Marketing terms notwithstanding, from this model on, all Panzer IIIs that I could find via scale maze or otherwise had either magic tracks or DS tracks. The very next Panzer III model, which was an African or Truppen Ausführung N, product number 6431, was released by Dragon with DS tracks and by Cyber Hobby with magic tracks. That last one isn't entered into the ScaleMates database, but here it is. Most of this second generation also had one-piece plastic gun barrels. The exceptions found are two kinds. The orange box kits, which are all re-releases of old Imperial series kits with magic tracks and improved PE grills added. And the three SU-76I kits, which have product numbers 6838, 6850, and this 30th anniversary kit if it ever came out. The SU-76Is also have two-piece fuel drums at the back of the tank. The reason they're a bit odd is they were Panzer IIIs captured by the Soviets, then fitted with their own gun. From 2007 onwards, Dragon, including the Cyber Hobby brand, has released 53 Panzer III model kits, according to the ScaleMates database. Of those, 17 had DS tracks, and those are listed on the screen now, apart from the 6431 Dragon variant. 4 of them are in front of you as examples. Those are just the ones I happen to have picked up. I don't see a pattern as to which armor has one or other type of track, but perhaps someone more knowledgeable when it comes to the real tank tracks will be able to comment on this. In 2023, Dragon re-released 2 of the Panzer IIIs, product numbers 6474 and 6604. They also released a box with 3 kits inside, product number 6989, with a Panzer IV and the 2 aforementioned Panzer IIIs. Curiously, the 6474 model had a metal gun barrel in that particular box, but apparently not so in the single kit re-release. Since 2024, all Panzer III releases from Dragon has had metal barrels. It includes 3 kits so far, 2 of them with product numbers 6853 and 6904 that are the same as the previous iterations. So once again, beware and get a look at the box before purchase.